How to clear cache on ORBOT application. Are you guys facing issues to clear cache of ORBOT app? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's dive into the video. To clear cache on of ORBOT application, first of all, head over to your app mobile settings. Once you open the settings, just simply tap on apps. After you click on apps, you'll be forwarded to this interface where you can see multiple applications. From here, just simply select ORBOT, which you can see over here. Just simply tap on it. After you click on it, you'll be provided with three options: storage, notification, battery. Just simply tap on storage. After you click on storage, you can see two options: clear storage and clear cache. You are looking up to clear up application cache, right? Just simply tap on clear cache. After you click on clear cache, you can see the size of cache. It's 0 MB, right? So that's it, guys. That's how you clear your cache on ORBOT application. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.